Want to lose weight but can't? You're not alone. The struggle with weight loss is real and daunting. Often, it's not about eating less, but eating right. The food we eat plays a significant role in our weight loss journey. Making the right food choices can be the game changer you need. So let's dive into the world of food and expose those sneaky culprits that might be holding you back. Today, we will count down the top 10 foods to avoid for a healthier lifestyle. And don't worry, we've got alternatives. Starting at number 10, it's white rice, and number 9, white bread. Both of these common pantry staples may seem harmless, but they're not as innocent as you might think. White rice and white bread both have a high glycemic index. This means they can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels after consumption, leading to a quicker feeling of hunger and potential overeating. Additionally, the milling process strips these foods of essential nutrients like fiber, iron, and B vitamins. But don't worry, there are healthier alternatives out there. Instead of white rice, try incorporating brown rice into your meals. It's a whole grain that retains its nutrients and keeps you feeling fuller longer. Similarly, swap out white bread for whole grain bread. It's packed with fiber and other nutrients that white bread lacks. Remember, making simple swaps can have a big impact on your health. Coming in at number 8 and 7, we have ice cream and cookies. These sweet treats are often a go-to for comfort or celebration, but they're packed with sugar and unhealthy fats. Consuming them regularly can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. But don't worry, you don't have to completely eliminate them from your life. There are healthier alternatives that can satisfy your sweet tooth without sabotaging your weight loss goals. Instead of indulging in ice cream, why not try frozen yogurt? It's lower in fat and can be just as delicious. And for the cookie lovers out there, consider switching to oat-based or nut-based cookies. They're not only lower in sugar, but are also packed with nutrients and fiber that can keep you fuller longer. Remember, it's about making smarter choices, not depriving yourself. You can still enjoy your favorite treats, but in a healthier and more balanced way. Number 6 and 5 on our list are diet soda and energy drinks. These deceptive drinks may seem like a smart choice with their low or zero calories, but don't be fooled. The artificial sweeteners used in diet soda can actually trigger sugar cravings, leading to overeating. Plus, they can negatively impact your gut health, which is crucial for overall wellness. Energy drinks, on the other hand, are often brimming with sugar and can lead to a host of health problems, including heart complications and obesity. Not to mention the temporary energy boost they provide often results in a hard crash later. Instead, why not opt for healthier alternatives? Water is always a fantastic choice. If you need a little flavor, unsweetened tea or fresh fruit juice can do the trick. Remember, the key is to hydrate smart. Your body will thank you. At number 4 and 3, we have fast food and pizza. Now, we know how tempting these can be, especially on a busy day or late at night. But here's the thing. Fast food and commercial pizzas are often loaded with sodium and fats. Sodium can lead to water retention and high blood pressure, while excessive fats contribute to heart diseases and obesity. Now don't worry, we're not suggesting you give up on your favorite burger or pizza. Just make a healthier version at home. For instance, for a healthier pizza, use a whole grain crust and load it up with a rainbow of veggies. You can even top it off with lean proteins like grilled chicken or tofu. As for fast food, consider making your own versions of those meals at home. A homemade burger, for instance, with a lean meat patty and whole grain buns can be just as satisfying. Home-cooked meals, a simple way to better health. And for number 2 and the top spot, number 1, we have potato chips and cinnamon rolls. Potato chips, oh so crunchy and delicious, are salt mines in disguise. Each bag is loaded with sodium, which can lead to high blood pressure and heart disease. Instead of reaching for that bag of chips, why not opt for air-popped popcorn? It's just as crunchy, but with a fraction of the sodium. Now let's talk about our number 1 culprit, cinnamon rolls. These sweet treats are sugar bombs with a high dose of empty calories, not to mention the refined white flour that spikes your blood sugar. But fear not, there's a healthier alternative. Whole grain, low sugar pastries can satisfy that sweet tooth without sabotaging your health. You can even sprinkle a bit of cinnamon for that familiar flavor. Remember, a healthier you starts with healthier choices. Making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. So there you have it, the top 10 foods to avoid if you're trying to lose weight. Let's take a quick look back at the dietary culprits we've covered. White rice and white bread, stripped of their natural nutrients, are high in empty calories. Opt for whole grain versions for a healthier alternative. Those sweet temptations, ice cream and cookies, are packed with sugars. But fear not, you can satisfy your sweet tooth with fruit-based desserts or dark chocolate. Then we delved into the world of deceptive drinks. Diet soda and energy drinks may seem like innocent choices, but they're often loaded with artificial sweeteners and caffeine. Choose water, herbal tea, or homemade smoothies instead. Fast food, with its high sodium and trans fat content, is a weight loss enemy, but a home-cooked meal can be just as tasty and far more nourishing. And let's not forget the crunchy culprits, potato chips and pizza. They're high in calories and low in nutrients, but swapping them for air pop popcorn or homemade pizza with whole wheat crust can make a world of difference. Lastly, those enticing cinnamon rolls can be replaced with a wholesome oatmeal, topped with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey. Remember, it's about making small changes that add up over time. You don't have to give up all your favorites. Just find healthier alternatives. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. What food swaps have worked for you? Share in the comments below. Remember, every small change brings you one step closer to a healthier you. If you found this video helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe.